OKX. Is it a perfume? A race car? Nope. It's your new favorite crypto trading app. With millions of users worldwide and over 300 tradable cryptocurrencies, OKX is one of the leading crypto exchanges to date. If you're a novice or a pro, the OKX platform is so simple and easy to use that even a dog could buy crypto. They are one of the world's largest crypto derivative exchanges. Not only do they offer up to 125 times leverage, they're also one of the few exchanges supporting Web3. You can use the OKX NFT marketplace to buy, sell, trade, or even mint on all major Ethereum or Solana exchanges. They offer support 24/7. And OKX has never crashed or been hacked. They're also proud supporters of major sporting teams around the world, including our very own Formula One driver, Daniel Ricciardo. Go the Shoey. So, join millions of others worldwide and start your trading journey with OKX today.